Good morning, everybody. I'm here today for our weekly briefing covering Central North Carolina, covering the period from today to next Sunday, May 11th. Looking at the upcoming weather pattern, we have a stalled front in our eastern portions of the CWA, which will bring in isolated to scattered storms this afternoon and evening. Tomorrow and Wednesday, high pressure will build in, leaving a mostly dry forecast. However, rain chances will return Thursday through the weekend as another cold front will pass through the region. In terms of temperatures will be near normal today through Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, temperatures will dip slightly below normal. Looking at the accumulated precipitation forecast for the next 5 days, you can see that today we have around 1/100th to a 1/4 inch of rain expected, with mainly dry forecast Tuesday and Wednesday, and around 1/10 of an inch up to a 1/4 inch expected for the majority of North Carolina on Thursday and Friday. That will leave a total of around a 1/2 inch expected over the CWA in the next 5 days. However, there is no threat over the next 3 days of excessive rainfall anywhere in the CWA. Looking at the severe chances now, we have a slight or a 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather expected today. That means that we will have isolated to scattered severe storms possible. Taking a closer look at the severe threat, you can see that today we have no tornado risk and a marginal risk of severe wind and a marginal to slight risk of severe hail, and that severe hail would be 1 inch or greater in size. Now looking at the next 8 to 14 days, we have a 40 to 60% chance of above normal temperatures and near normal to 40% chance of above normal precipitation. You can see in the bottom there, normal temperatures for Greensboro, Raleigh, and Fayetteville. So we're getting close or exceeding the 80s now as we're entering the mid-May region. Looking at the experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook now, you can see highlighted today for severe thunderstorms with that slight chance of wind and hail and an elevated chance for lightning. We also have a limited risk of lightning on Thursday and Friday as well. To summarize, a stalled front in the east brings isolated to scattered storms this afternoon and evening, with mostly dry weather expected Tuesday and Wednesday as a high pressure system builds in. Rain chances will return Thursday through the weekend, though, as another cold front passes through. Temperatures will also be near normal until Friday when a cold front moves through, dipping temperatures slightly below normal. And you can see for our hazards and impacts, we have isolated to scattered severe storms expected this afternoon and evening, with the primary threats being strong winds and damaging hail. I also wanted to say that this week is Hurricane Preparedness Week. We did have a slide here. I don't know why it's not showing up, but let me see. I'll turn off the recording and then I can see if I can show you that slide here as well.